Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, January 11th, 2001, 8:30 a.m. Are not you satisfied with our music anymore? Serving on earth or elsewhere does not matter. What matters is service. Don't you understand is this way anymore? What else can we tell you which we had not already said? We understand your heart's impatience to come and rejoin us, for we also felt it intensely. The days which follow one another are like acts of love to be offered according to one's state of heart. See only this side of things. Offer generously and consider most of your actions in line with that way of doing things. You will thus recover your liking for striving, for giving of your best, as you usually do so well. You play an important role. Do not underestimate it as usual. You were granted gifts which many would like to have, even if they do not realize what that implies. There is a downside to it, the disadvantage of which had to be put up with. Regain self confidence. These messages will be appreciated by many souls who demand such. There are many more than you can imagine who are searching for their way outside of religious constraints. The simplicity of our remarks will be able to touch hearts. Do not regard as useless either your interventions or references made to you. These messages form a whole which is living and which takes into account the human person. In painting, the greatest masterpiece is made up of contrasting shades which complement and highlight each other. That is how it is, my daughter. Regain strength to recover your liking for action. Babuji. Friday, January 12th, 2001, 10 a.m. You can follow the example of that woman who was not afraid of expressing herself throughout her writings by speaking to Jesus in the language of her heart and by writing it down without fearing those who were ready to criticize. You can also see yourself in her, often doubting about the messages she was receiving, and that until the very end, in spite of the exhortations of her guide, they were discreetly approved by the church, their principal representative having given this full blessing, which allowed the subsequent publication of these books. There are precedents even in a religion that regards channeling as diabolic, but that can make exceptions to serve its own cause. Cases like this one are not rare. The sacred texts which marked humanity were written throughout this type of inspiration. The time has come not to look the other way anymore and to consider that only some privileged beings have the possibility to communicate with higher spirits. Why wouldn't our exchanges to be recognized on a large scale in the future? We had to remind you of the existence of those books so that you became aware of the similarity of both your situations and the person's qualms, which resulted from the exceptional experience she had to live. In such particular situations, only surrender and humility make it possible to manage the situation properly. Babuji.